December 30th, 2017. This is at 12:40 in the morning. Dear Tyler, our journey began when we were but small reflections of love, but fully grown in the spirit. When I was just a little girl, I remember feeling a lot of confusion towards you. It was almost as if something told me we would end up together. I would study your every move in search of fault, but after all those years, all I found was a heart of pure gold. You were made to be my everything, and everything I formed against you, unknowingly, was to keep us apart until the moment we would meet again.
Wild and free. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh.
Genevieve. It is my greatest conviction that the Lord has guided us to each other according to the beautiful master plan. When I look at you, my understanding of love reaches a level of clarity that I never thought possible. My love for you is so deep, so passionate, and so perfect. In my heart, I know that God sent you to me, as He sent me to you, to become one under His loving eye. I will love you for eternity. I will love you with the end of time, and I will love you until my last breath.
I fell in love with you and everything about you under the fair blue summer skies. I can't believe after all these years, God brought us back together. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
I will see you soon at the altar. I love you, Genevieve. I love your husband.
I, Tyler, take you, Genevieve, to be my wife.
I, Genevieve, take you, Tyler, to be my husband. I promise to be faithful to you in good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and to honor you.
To love you and to honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
And what a privilege to be the first to formally and publicly introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Tyler and Genevieve Schramp.
You are my everything, Tyler, and I love you with everything I have. You are everything and more that I dreamed my future husband to be. I can't wait to be your wife. As of tomorrow, there will no longer be a me without you. Forever yours, Genevieve.